today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the IP address of the scale and also how to connect the scale to your network via the router. So first thing is go to the scale, click the arrow on the right hand side, click setup mode, click manager mode, click machine setup, click comms setup, and then if you're connecting to the router via a cable, you click on wired setup. Now in here is where you've got your IP address information. So if you want to change the IP address, you just click to highlight, so it's green like this, then click edit. Basically what you do is you just enter the IP address. So what you do is you just type in the number like that. So for example, like 192. To make sure you got the correct IP address, there's a couple things to do. So if you open command prompt, type in cmd and enter, then type in ipconfig. This is your router's IP address here. So also type in arp-a. This will show you all the IP addresses on the network. So you just want to make sure the IP address for this scale you use is not already in use. So for example, 202 is not in use, so that'd be fine to use. And the other thing is you want to make sure it's on the correct range, which basically means it starts with 192.168.1. The last three numbers can be what you want as long as they're not used in here. So if we was to change this to a different IP address, we could use 192.168.1.202, which is on the correct range and it's also not in use. So in this case, I'm not actually going to change it because this is a live scale. But what you do is you just type in the numbers, so 168.001.202, and then you would click the tick, but I'm just going to click the X. And then once you're done, this save button will turn green, and when you click that, that will save the new IP address. And then what will happen is at the bottom of the screen here, you will notice the IP address will update.